Ruck UK. In this episode we're finally working on the Ruckus. We're going to be doing the switch, which is for the left hand controls. I'll let me pan down a sec so you can see there's the bike. It's literally the left hand switches. I haven't got the between high and low beam, it doesn't switch. Mine is literally like on or off. The switches I've got there are actually designed for a light bar. What we need is the one that goes between high and low beam, which Felix from the Ruck Shop sent me over. They sort me out good and proper because I didn't have to pay nothing on this. So if you need any parts for your Ruckus, Zoomer, Grom, go and hit up the Ruck Shop. The shipping is ridiculously quick. I mean, I'm in the UK, they're over in Florida, and it takes, I think it took 2 days for stuff to come, and they help you out. They got so much knowledge between the guys there, and they're such a friendly bunch of people. Also, go over to Burnout Bobby and check out his YouTube channel. Some awesome content. They've been building this Ruckus GY6 150 swap with I think it's got a 171 kit. It's got air ride, Yoshi exhaust, powder coating galore, and all the troubles that they've had with that. So yeah, please head over and give him a like, share, subscribe and all that. Hopefully, I've been looking at going over there. So I've been looking at flights, I've been looking at car rental, all that sort of stuff. Ryan, or Burnout Bobby, has kindly said to me that I can stay in his guest room if I go over. I really appreciate that, man. I really do. It would save me a lot of money, and it makes it all that more possible. So we'll see what happens in the future. Anyway, let's get to the build. Alright, so first of all, we're going to undo these 4 screws, and there's obviously the same on the other side. When it comes to the handlebars, I've got to undo these, which is for the Adlin brake lever. These are my clamps for the bar length, so I'm going to undo these. I'm going to have to slide it out, take the brake lever off, undo the Allen key that's on this, slide that off, and then we'll get to the wizardry that's in there. I am no good at electrics, but yeah, we've all got to learn. So yep, there's the switch. I've already put on these little spade connectors on each of them, and then we'll get to fitting that. So right now, I'm just going to position up the bars. I've put this little piece on. I'll show you how that does in a minute. So I'm just going to slide my bars up, measure the distance there compared to that one, tighten it all up, and then we'll start on the wiring. Alright, so as you can see, I've just mocked this up. Literally, you've got an Allen key on the back, which is a 4mm, and you've literally got like a hook on the bottom, so it comes apart in 2 pieces. You just got to position this where you want it, obviously in a like where your brake lever is going to be, and then we'll start on all the wiring that's in there. Right, so we are all on. So these are all on. So I've used the stock connector and then literally spliced in all of those. I will flash up the what wire goes to what on the screen now. And then you can then pause it and have a look at what has to be connected to what. But let's test it out. As you can, oh, you can't see, but lights on the wall, high and low beam, and then horn indicators. Well, you can see that one's blinking against that, and then that one's blinking, and on the back so that's all working. So yeah, happy days. Nice simple little mod, and it looks so much better on the handlebars. I'm going to tidy up all these wires, loom it all up, wrap it, tape it, all that sort of stuff, and yeah, there's the beast. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, all those good things. I'm at 66 subscribers at the moment. I'd love to hit that 100 mark, but it's not all about that. I just like doing the videos for you guys. So yeah, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.